guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a highly requested video that has been requested for a long time, but I've never gotten around to doing it because, well, I'm not the most organized person and it's an office tour, so I felt like I needed to have my office together. But then I realized, Rachel, your office is never going to be 100% perfect, so you may as well film this video. And I actually watched my friend Celeste show her office tour, which her office is beautiful. I'm gonna link her channel down below. She just started her YouTube channel, so definitely go check out her channel and her office goals. So it inspired me to show my office in a video, which has been requested a lot, but I wanted it to be perfect, but you know what? Nothing in life is actually ever perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along and show you my office. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my office. It's somewhat clean, so figured now is the best time to do this. So welcome to my office. Right here we have some studio lights. I've been filming in here because James is kind of in my filming area right now, working from home and such. The studio lights are here in my office, which is, it's fine, it's whatever. There we have a closet and it's a hot mess. I'm not even gonna show you that because it has nothing to do with my sticker shop. It's just a bunch of stuff. It's like just storage. We don't mess with that. Over here, I have some ink cartridges that I need to recycle. I have my old printer and another old printer, which I'm gonna try to sell that one. And I think that James got that one working again, but I have not even tested it out. And I know I said that in like another video, but I still haven't done it. Up here, I just have like, I need to go through this stuff, honestly. I have extra paper. It's a hodgepodge of random paper, but you know, it is what it is. So we have some Swiffer drying, whatever you want to call these. I don't even know. I'm getting all jumbled with my words, but I use these for my premium mat to wipe the dust off of them, and it works okay. Then I have some essential oils and my diffuser, which I don't know what's going on there. That's disgusting. I need to clean it. Then I have my laser printer, which I don't really use because I don't foil. I need to get back into it because I am hoping to do a video on that, but I just haven't bothered with it. So then we have this printer, which I just used for invoices and labels, although you guys will see in just a second, I actually bought a new printer, like a label printer. So I won't be needing him for labels, but I'll still have to print invoices. Down here we have some paper, some cello bags, and some extra envelopes and bubble mailers. So moving over here, all of my tables and stuff, minus this thing, are from IKEA. So I get that question a lot. Everything's from IKEA. I will link it in my Amazon shop, or I'll link it in this video. And so first up, I have this laminator, which I've never even used, but I was going to make covers for planners, and I haven't done that yet, so maybe one day. Here I have this. I got this from Planning a Better Me retreat, which I highly recommend you guys go to if you're able to. I think they rescheduled it to February maybe, and I don't know why it's sitting there because I actually had it over here, but whatever. Then I have part of my Erin Condren order and my foiling machine, my mink foiling machine right here. Here I have my Recollections Planner. I have some orders under here, that's why this is covering it up. Over here I have some studio lights, just like small little table lights. And then I have my sign that my dad made. It says Sticky Situations Co. And he also made this Mickey for me, but I can't hang them in this apartment, so they just kind of like sit in this corner propped up. Normally the filming stuff isn't in the way. We also have my Canon M6, which is what I do most of my vlogging on. And then we have this tripod with the little tripod head. And then this I just use to like clean the lenses and stuff. All right, moving back over here, we have two drawers, and most of them are just junk drawers. I really need to go through them, but I haven't yet. And then this section, I have some old planners. I have just some storage stuff and just stuff I don't really know what to do with down here. But I will show you some of these drawers because I do think they're interesting. So this one, I store my paper and ink, extra ink if I have any, which I'm kind of running low. In this one, I have another, like, it's not really a hodgepodge. All of these are like the same paper. Well, the top part is, and then under here it's just like craft paper that I don't really use. So I don't really open this one as much. I did have my paper for my invoices right here, but I actually ran out, so I need to get some more. Then up here we have my glossy paper and then some of the weatherproof matte paper. And here we have junk. And then this one we have just some extra like pins, some of these markers, nothing super interesting in that one. And then over here, the only drawer I'm going to show you is the top one, and this is where I keep like all the oops stickers. So the rest of these, literally, you guys, it's just junk. I just need to go through it. So turning over here, we have my windows, which I have the blinds kind of shut right now because it's a little bright. This table is normally where I film my Plan With Me videos. I used to have this and my lights on this table, but I actually decided that since I have my, sorry, I'm gonna like move you around a lot. Since I have my studio lights, what I've decided is that I'm just gonna move this table out here and then have my tripod upright and then have it angled out, if that makes sense, because then the camera on it doesn't make the tripod fall over because it's like the weight's all evenly distributed or whatever. And so I have been doing that, but I've been failing at filming Plan With Me's, so need to get back on that. Here we have just some like stickers and stuff that I normally use every time when I do film. Then I have my little to-do notebook, and I have since switched to the Daily Duo, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I'm probably just gonna like make lists of stuff. Underneath it, I just have some papers trying to figure out what I'm doing for Christmas in July, so that's exciting. And then I have my weekly planner and my daily duo, and then I have this A6 planner, which I actually ordered another one because I think I'm gonna switch everything to A6, and I'm really excited to try it out, so we'll see how that goes, and I'll update you guys. Then I have my iPad stand, which my iPad is in my purse right now, so it's not even in here. I have this little shark back here. My mom made it for me for my birthday 2 years ago maybe. And then I have this little thing that I made one time, like when we went to the beach, and it just holds my scissors, pins, all of that stuff. And then back there, I have some like stuff that I need to set up, so don't mind that. I have my new AirPods. I'm loving them. We have my computer, which is extremely dirty. I know, don't judge me. One day I will clean it. Then I have my external hard drive. I have these little things to help your hands when you're like typing and all that. I don't know, James bought it for me. I'll link it in the description box in case you guys are interested. Then I have my new friend. I got a Dymo finally. After 5 years, I decided to invest in that because it was a good deal, and why not? So I finally got the Dymo, have my water, been drinking all morning, so, and then in these drawers, it's pretty, I need to organize it. I really need to get my life together and organize it. I have a lot of pins, I have some extra stickers. It's just kind of a hot mess, to be honest. We won't even go into that. Then over here, I have my machines. So I have one Cameo 3, and then I have 3 Cameo 2s. And these are just shoe shelves from Target. There's 2 of them, and we just stacked them on top of each other, and that is what my machines are on. I get asked this question a lot, so, and I also have it linked. I don't have the exact ones linked in the description box, but I have something similar. Then I have my inventory basically. So I'm not really a ready to ship shop, but I do have some, like if there's a sheet, like, okay, for instance, this has like 2 on a sheet, so somebody ordered 1, so then I put the extra one in here, so that way if somebody orders it again, I don't have to print and cut. So I have all of my matte stickers in here, I have glossy in here, and I have removable matte in here, or not removable matte, premium matte in here. And in here I have like little freebies and stuff. I have my business cards and my calipers, which is how I measure my planner and make sure that sticker sizes are correct. Over here we have my just like food scale. That's what I use to weigh everything, because I had it and I wasn't using it to weigh food, so I was like, what the heck? So that's what I've been using. And then I have all of my cutting mats. Over here I have envelopes and cellophane bags. I have an extra blade, I have a cutting strip, I have 2 cutting strips for my machines. I have a bunch of pins that I used for the Planning About Our Me retreat, and I'm actually going to another planner event later this year, so I'm probably going to use those again. And then I have some tape. Down here, apparently I have a bobby pin that I didn't even know I had in there. But this is all of like the foil and stuff, and then there's like a cutting mat and a little cutter to cut the foil. I don't really foil stickers. I need to get back into it, but it just kind of lives here for right now. And then in this bottom one, I have my A6 punch. I have my Happy Planner punch. I have this, which cuts inserts, even though I never cut my own inserts because I'm terrible at it. And then we have measuring tape. And then this thing, I'm not really sure what this is, to be honest. James ordered it. I don't know. Whatever. Down here, I have my Canon printer. It is always linked in the description box, so you don't have to ask me which one I use because I linked it for you. I took all the work out of it for you, and I just linked it. Then I have this trash can, which I've just kind of placed under my desk because I do a lot of my cutting right here, and so then I just throw the scraps away in here. And then over here, we have this picture. Hang on, I'm gonna show you guys. I have this picture, and I got it from my grandparents' house. It used to hang above my grandpa's chair, and I seriously thought that this was just a picture of my grandpa because this guy right here, when I was little, I thought it looked a lot like my grandpa. Like he would wear like that type of shirt, and he always had a hat on. So I really just thought that was my grandpa. And then this guy right here looks a lot like my great grandpa, like so my grandpa's dad. And so I always thought that this was them in the picture. And so the picture just holds a really special meaning to me. So my grandma gave it to me, but I can't hang anything in this apartment. So it's just gonna have to wait until we get a house to be on the wall. So I just keep it right here, and it basically just hides behind the door, which makes me sad because, you know, I want to be able to hang stuff. I don't know where I would put it. It does not go with my vibe at all, but it like holds such a special memory to me that that's why I wanted it, and I will keep it because of that. But yeah, it just kind of lives behind the door. All right guys, so that is my office tour for you guys. I really need to organize. I need to go through and get rid of so much stuff, so I'm sure you guys will be seeing that in a future video. But for now, this is what my office looks like. I like this. I like the space. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I mean, it's bigger than some shop owners, so I guess I can't complain too much. But it would be nice to, not even bigger, I just need to go through and get rid of stuff, honestly, because I just feel like stuff is all over the place. But yeah, I forgot to show you guys. Of course, we always have a Dixie in our office. Hey, do you think that you're the boss? Are you working? Are you working? No? You just sleeping? I'm gonna need my chair to film. Are you gonna look at me? Why are you so cute? I can't. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that office tour. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, not sure where it's at, and the bell notification, and click notify all. That way you never miss a video from me. Don't forget to check out my friend Celeste's channel down below as well, and her office tour, and all of her other videos that she's been putting up. Just go subscribe to her. Just do yourself a favor, go subscribe to her right now, okay? But that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.